Hey, have you ever made an iced coffee at home and it was super watery? Yeah, well, me too. So I'm going to help you fix that problem and make a perfect iced coffee every single time, every single day. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my Nespresso machine. I got it December 2019 and I've been using it ever since, and I love it so much. I upgraded from the Keurig machine to this and I really like it. Okay, and then these are the pods here. So I have my double espresso shots, and then we just have regular coffee here. Okay, so let's get started on the iced coffee recipe. So I'm going to grab one of my double espresso shots. So I have my Starbucks iced coffee cup here, and I just bought it at Starbucks. I think they're like $3. And I have my cup here, and I like using it because it has the measurements here on the side. So that's why I like making my iced coffee with this cup, and I also like a big coffee too, so that works out. Okay, and then now I'm going to add my milk. So you can use whatever kind of milk you want, but I like to use the Almond Breeze milk original, and it's going to be the unsweetened. So then I'm just going to fill up the milk here to that top line right there and place our cup of milk right here. So then I just pop it open, then I add my pod, press it down, and then just hold it for a couple seconds. Okay, so now that the coffee is all done, I'm just going to put this back. Okay, so now I want to sweeten up my coffee with some creamer, so I'm going to use International Delight in sweet cream, and I'm going to just pour a little bit in there, and then just give it a good mix. Alright, so now it's time to add the ice. Okay, so now I'm going to taste test and just see if I need to add anything else. Yes, that's perfect right there. So I like to have a lot of ice in my coffee. So this is not enough at all. So I just like to drink a little bit so I can make some room to add more ice. And that is so good. Alright, so now I have a little bit of room so I can add more ice. And yeah guys, that is how I like to make my iced coffee, and I enjoy it every day, sometimes 2 times a day, but you know, who's counting? My husband. Okay, so anyway. So anyways, this is how you make iced coffee, and if you want to check out the machine, I'll leave a link down below. And then also, if you make this coffee, tag me on Instagram so I can see your iced coffee. You can change it out. You can add whatever kind of creamer you want. You can also add drizzle. If you want me to do some more recipes with iced coffees, just let me know down below. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your coffee. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. Today I want to share with you guys how I make my iced coffee. Iced coffee? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. Today I want to share with you guys how I make my iced coffee every single day, and it turns out really good every single time, and it's not watery at all. Praise the Lord. Okay, no. Hey guys. Oh shoot. Don't do that.